Students at San Diego Continuing Education are putting in some long hours for a very special project.
Their work has special meaning for the student welders involved because they're building part of the frame for a float as part of next Monday's Martin Luther King Jr. parade.
The students really get to have a personal input in the MLK Day parade. They get to understand just a little bit of what he had to go through by going through some of the projects that we do. You know, like we have one past year was we had to actually, the students memorized basically the I Have a Dream speech because they had to weld it all together in order for it to make sense. And so that's kind of, the same kind of thing as what Ruben was talking about before. Civil rights, a lot of these students have, it's firsthand experience for them. So working on this project, it kind of drives it home.
And you saw over his shoulder there, that bell, that's a 300-pound bell on the float, and it's made of more than a mile of welding wire. There it is right there.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
Very cool.
Well done.